In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an email in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your sent messages and how to send one again with just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. You'll see the official Outlook website appear in the results. Click that to open Outlook in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, sign in to your account so you can access your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Sent Items. This folder stores everything you've already sent, which is where we'll find the message you want to resend. Take a moment to scan the list and select the email you want to send again. If you're not sure, open it and confirm the subject line, recipients, and the timestamp so you don't accidentally resend the wrong message. With the email open, look for the three dots menu near the top of the message window. Click those three dots to reveal more options. From that menu, move your cursor over Advanced Actions. A submenu will appear with additional choices tailored to message management. In that submenu, click Resend Message. This opens a new Compose window pre-filled with the original content, recipients, and subject. Resend is different from Forward. Resending preserves the original sender information and keeps the conversation intact, which is helpful when you want the message to look just like the original, only sent again. Before you send, you can add a brief note at the top to provide context, like a quick update or a polite nudge. This is a good time to double-check the to, CC, and BCC fields, confirm the subject line still fits, and make sure any attachments are included and up to date. If an attachment was missing the first time, attach it now so the recipient gets everything they need. Keep your added note concise and professional so the email remains clear and easy to read. When everything looks right, click Send. Outlook will move the message through your outbox and place the new copy in Sent Items. If you need reassurance, open Sent Items again to confirm it was sent successfully. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to quickly locate a previously sent email, access the advanced options, and resend it with any necessary adjustments. Use this method whenever someone missed your message, you need to follow up with the same content, or you want to correct small details without rebuilding the email from scratch. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.